A smart car air purifier is a device that improves air quality inside a vehicle. It removes dust, smoke, bad odors, bacteria, and harmful pollutants from the air. The purifier uses filters and smart sensors to detect air quality and automatically adjust its cleaning power. It helps create a fresh and healthy environment for drivers and passengers, especially during long trips or in polluted areas. Most smart car air purifiers are compact, easy to install, and powered by the car's charging port. Some models also connect to mobile apps, allowing users to monitor air quality and control settings easily. A digital tire inflator with auto stop is a portable device used to fill air in vehicle tires. It allows users to set the desired tire pressure, and the inflator automatically stops when the correct level is reached. This helps prevent overinflation and ensures safe driving. The device usually has a digital display that shows real-time pressure readings. It is easy to use, compact, and powered by a car charging port or battery. A digital tire inflator is helpful during emergencies and regular tire maintenance, improving fuel efficiency, tire life, and overall road safety. A car blind spot monitoring sensor is a safety system that helps drivers detect vehicles or objects in areas that are hard to see in side mirrors. It uses sensors or radar to monitor the sides and rear of the car. When another vehicle enters the blind spot, the system alerts the driver through warning lights, sounds, or vibrations. This feature helps prevent accidents while changing lanes or turning. Blind spot monitoring sensors improve driving safety, increase driver awareness, and make highway and city driving more comfortable and secure. A wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen lets you connect your smartphone to your car display without using cables. It allows you to use apps like Maps, music, calls, and messages directly from the screen while driving. The wireless feature makes connection quick and easy, giving a cleaner and more comfortable experience. You can use voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant for safer driving. These screens usually offer touch control, clear display quality, and smooth performance. They are perfect for upgrading older cars with modern smart features, making driving more convenient, entertaining, and safe for everyday use. An emergency escape tool is a small safety device designed to help you get out of a car during an emergency. It usually includes a strong window breaker and a sharp seatbelt cutter. If a car door gets stuck after an accident or if the vehicle is underwater, this tool helps you quickly break the window and cut the seatbelt to escape safely. It is easy to carry and can be stored in the glove box or attached to your keychain. This tool is very useful for drivers and passengers, providing extra safety and peace of mind during unexpected situations.
The Tesla Cyberquad is an all-electric, four-wheel ride-on toy made for children. It is inspired by the futuristic design of Tesla's Cybertruck and features a smaller version of its sharp, angular shape. The Cyberquad is designed for kids aged 8 to 12 years, with a maximum weight limit of 110 pounds, 50 kilograms. The Hirico is a compact, all-electric two-seater microcar designed for short urban trips, especially for car-sharing services. It runs on a lithium-ion battery, offering a range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. Each of its four wheels contains a built-in motor, allowing it to reach a controlled top speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Weighing under 500 kilograms, the Hirico has an extended length of 2.5 meters. However, its unique hinged body allows it to fold up to just 1.5 meters for easy parking. Although not widely available yet, the Hirico is a groundbreaking step toward the future of urban transportation. It blends sustainability, innovation, and practicality, offering a vision of how small, foldable electric vehicles could revolutionize city living. The Duo and Bento, created by Renault Group's Mobilized brand, are innovative electric quadricycles designed to address urban mobility challenges. The Duo is a sleek two-seater, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour and a range of 100 miles on a single charge. It offers a compact design with air conditioning, heated seats, and easy access doors. The Bento, designed for utility, comes with a large 649 EL cargo box, ideal for city deliveries. Both vehicles focus on sustainability, being made from over 40% recycled materials and at least 95% recyclable when they reach the end of their life. Featuring central driving positions and digital key sharing, the Duo and Bento offer eco-friendly and practical solutions for modern urban transportation, blending convenience with environmental care. Hankook Tire has created several exciting 3D animations that show its new tire technology and ideas for future transportation. One popular animation is the Hankook Design Innovation 2016 video. It shows the winners of the 2016 Design Awards and gives a look at future connected mobility. The animation explains how Hankook's advanced tires could make travel smarter and more efficient. Another video features the Wheelbot, a round, futuristic wheel that moves in all directions. These animations help people understand Hankook's focus on innovation and the future of sustainable, intelligent transportation. Ammonia GenCell. Ammonia is emerging as a leading clean energy solution, with companies like GenCell pioneering fuel cell technology that uses ammonia as a zero-carbon fuel source. Unlike traditional fuels, ammonia only produces nitrogen and water when converted into energy, making it eco-friendly. It also has a high energy density and is easier to store and transport compared to hydrogen gas. By utilizing the existing agricultural infrastructure, ammonia could soon power off-grid facilities and large-scale transportation, offering a practical, sustainable alternative. This transition could significantly reduce global carbon emissions. As advancements continue, ammonia is poised to play a transformative role in the global shift to greener energy. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a high-end motorhome designed for a luxurious travel experience. It combines a sleek design with a modern interior, featuring elegant furniture and premium fabrics for comfort. Built for year-round use, it offers adjustable lighting with LED spotlights and ambient lights. The motorhome has plenty of storage space, including large cupboards and wardrobes, with clever solutions to keep everything organized. The user-friendly digital control panel makes managing the motorhome systems easy. It also includes multimedia features like a TV point, USB charging ports, and a sound system with hidden speakers. The popular Adria Sonic Supreme 700 DC model boasts a rear bedroom with a fixed island bed, a central washroom with a separate shower, and a spacious lounge area with an electric drop-down bed for extra comfort and flexibility. Andina revealed the electric transformer house at CES 2024, a modern mobile home that combines luxury, smart technology, and eco-friendly design. It's built for future lifestyles, offering a sustainable way to travel and live. The home has expandable sections that can be customized to suit different needs and preferences. One of its key features is movable walls that extend the living space to 400 square feet with just a button. It also has a solar panel roof that produces over 25 kilowatt hours of electricity, supporting clean energy. An innovative water system collects moisture from the air to create up to 50 liters of clean water daily. The house includes foldable and modular furniture, making it simple to drive and park, while still providing plenty of space. It can serve as a tiny home, a guest house, or even a mobile office, offering both comfort and practicality. With its cutting-edge design, the electric transformer house showcases the future of sustainable and flexible living. One morning, Les had a close call when a pickup truck without a tailgate, filled with paint cans, appeared in front of him. It seemed like something from a Final Destination movie. As the truck hit a bump, one of the cans tipped over, becoming a 19-liter projectile flying straight toward Les. The only reason it didn't hit him was that he quickly swerved his vehicle to avoid both the can and a potential collision with other cars. This frightening experience left a lasting impact on Les and inspired him to co-found Bedlock Cargo Solutions. Bedlock Cargo Solutions was created to provide a safer, more secure way to transport cargo in pickup trucks. The system consists of special plates that cover the truck bed with spaces of 30.5 or 45.7 centimeters, designed to keep cargo secure. This innovative design prevents items from shifting or falling out during transport, reducing the risk of accidents. Bedlock Cargo Solutions offers a reliable and practical solution for anyone looking to haul cargo safely. With a starting price of $500, this system provides peace of mind for drivers transporting goods in their pickup trucks. 2001 Freightliner Classic has been fully customized by one of Florida's top teams. The interior now boasts black and red accents, giving it a sleek, modern look, while leather-trimmed seats add a touch of luxury. But the upgrades go beyond just the interior. The custom team is also working on enhancing the truck's complex wiring system, which in modern vehicles can extend for miles. On top of that, the Freightliner Classic will feature several custom-made, handmade elements, ensuring that it stands out even more. These improvements will not only make the truck look incredible, but also enhance its overall performance, turning it into a unique, high-performance vehicle. With attention to detail and a focus on both style and function, this custom Freightliner Classic is sure to turn heads and impress wherever it goes. Brabus Big Boy 1200. Brabus Tuning Studio has introduced its largest and heaviest motorhome ever, called the Big Boy 1200. This massive vehicle measures 12 meters long and weighs 26 tons. Its name honors the American steam locomotives of the 1940s, which were the biggest mass-produced trains, stretching over 40.5 meters. Although smaller than its locomotive inspiration, the Big Boy 1200 is still remarkable. It offers 30 square meters of living space and features a 47-inch TV, bigger than the one in their previous model, making it perfect for gaming with the included PlayStation 5. Other amenities include a 6.4 kilowatt diesel generator, a beer fridge, and a Starlink antenna for internet. The motorhome is built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros truck platform and powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 530 horsepower. Despite its strength, its top speed is limited to 90 kilometers per hour, but who needs speed when driving such a luxurious and comfortable vehicle?